Welcome back. Today I have another themed goodie box. I'm super excited about this one. If you're new here, I'm a cheapskate with an interest in sustainable style, so if that sounds like your idea of a party, click subscribe. Before we get started, I'm going to show you the skirt that kind of inspired this box. I was actually running into Walgreens and there was a boutique next door that I've actually never been into, but I've always looked at, and they had like a 70% off rack in the front, and I don't know why this skirt kind of spoke to me. And to me, it was like a 1970s country club kind of feeling. It really reminds me of a golf skirt that I have. I don't golf, but it's perfect for dog walking. I got this on Poshmark and I love it. But these two skirts, I was just thinking about 1970s tennis moms. Back when everyone was talking about their kind of style icons, that's kind of an archetype that I just remember from my childhood, and it just meshes with where my head's at right now. I don't know why. It's more of a summer thing, I realize, than a fall thing, but it's just where my head was, so I decided to go with it. I figured that consignment was a great place to find a lot of clothing along those lines, so ThredUp it is. I wrote a really detailed note to Jessica this time. She is so patient with me. I'm gonna read it to you, mostly just so you know what she puts up with. I said, I have some favorited items. Take those for inspiration, not specific requests. The theme for this box is 1970s tennis mom. Tennis mom in the 1970s sense of a mom who plays tennis while ignoring her offspring, not the current sense of mom taxi / valet to the child she is sure is the next Serena Williams. So I will be curious because I know Jessica was not alive then. She does not remember this. I'll be curious how she does. I gave her a Pinterest board. I favorited some items. We'll see. I'm looking forward to this. This should be fun. The style I'm going for does have some overlap with golfing and nautical styles. Definitely a vintage country club aesthetic. Details to look for: color contrast piping, especially on sweaters, striped accents but not overall stripes. Pattern golf skirts are great, but I already have two. Showed you those. Sleeveless polo shirts, cardigans with contrast piping. Some brands to consider: Adidas, Puma, Ivy Park, Lacoste, possibly Polo, and Tommy Hilfiger. I am not looking for super short dresses or 1970s running shorts. They're on my Pinterest board because they're definitely part of the aesthetic, but don't take them as a literal request. Okay, Jessica puts up with a lot from me. I'm so excited to see what's in here. I just want to dive right in. Oh, yeah, that's about exactly the vibe. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Yup. That's a pretty color. We'll see if it fits. I love little skirts. This one does not have pockets. Most of my skirts have pockets. Ivy Park, the hoodie. I think I might have marked this one. What the heck? I don't think I realized it was open in the back. Actually, well, that's kind of interesting. Okay, and a little tank top. Okay, the color might be just a little off, but maybe not. We'll see how it looks together. This might be more of a greenish teal, and this is more of a bluish teal. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We'll see if that fits. But that is cute. That is right up where I was thinking. Oh yeah. Oh, this might be perfect with the other skirt. Oh yeah. I don't know. All my sports bras are dark. Soft surroundings. Ooh, that is fun. That's like a little bit more mature country club vibe, but I am digging this. Oh, little tennis dress. Oh my goodness. Woohoo. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, that's like perfect though. Oh, this one's new with tags. Oh, that is definitely the vibe. That is definitely the vibe. That is a new with tags. Little sleeveless polo. Oh yeah. Feeling that. Don't know where I'm going dressed like this, but I love it. Oh, another little tennis dress. Ooh, that's like a more modern. That's fancy. We're gonna have to see what that does. So much fun. Ooh, little stripes, little stripe. Oh, little Lacoste vest. You know, if I forgot and didn't return any of this, between my daughter and I, none of this will go to waste. That is so much fun. I'm so excited. Quick wrap up and one question for you. So my absolute favorite piece, and unfortunately the pricing on ThredUp is a little bit all over the place. I've heard people talk about this. I guess different people are doing different pricing at different times. This skirt, which is my absolute favorite thing in the box, and it makes me think, don't even burst my bubble, but I think I look fine in a short skirt, so you know what? Walking 6 miles a day with the doggies is doing its thing. I love this skirt. It's in good condition. It is not brand new. It is $30. I know I won't end up wearing it very soon, but I love it. I'm not letting it go. This, which I showed you in the try-on with the skirt, that is the same color. I don't know if I'd ever really wear them together. That might be too much, but just for like summer dog walking shirt, this is gonna be great because it's that like high-tech fabric. It'll breathe really well. It's gonna feel like you're wearing nothing. Actually also has sun protection built in, which is cool. I will definitely get a lot of wear out of it next summer. This one's 21. It's I think it's actually a little pricey, which is new with tags. Well, they're both Adidas, which, you know, certain brands just hold their value in resale, and I try not to buy those honestly, but I like those two pieces. And the piece that I'm not sure about, and you're gonna have to tell me if it's too Barbara Bush, but I kind of really like this jacket. It feels like a heavyweight, like legging material. I don't know if it's what I had in mind when I said tennis mom. This is more like the mom of the tennis mom goes to the country club for dinner, but I like it. I don't know where I'd wear it. What do you think? Should I keep it? It is $17. This one is $17. I love it. It has pockets. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, so help me decide, and maybe tell me where I should wear it. I love doing these themed boxes. For my next theme, I'm actually, this one made me think of it. For some reason, I keep coming back to Barbara Bush as a fashion icon. Not sure why. Would you like to see that as a theme? I've also thought about doing Kimmy Schmidt as a theme. If you have any other ideas, let me know, or if you like those ideas, I would love to hear from you. So in the comments, let me know what you think of this and where I can wear it and what theme you'd like me to do. Oof, she's heavy. We're gonna see if we can get in on the little trend of YouTubers saying goodbye with their pets. This is Bailey. We love Bailey. Yes, goodbye YouTube. See you soon.